the notion of a central bank as a public policy institution with the main goal of promoting monetary and financial stability in the interest of the general public is remote from the traditional concept of commercial company with a profit motive. In this vein, the South African Reserve Bank is an independent legal person and a public institution that has no political motive and is not controlled by shareholders or anyone else for that matter. Accordingly, shareholders in the SARB have very limited rights, have no role whatsoever in influencing the setting or the implementation of monetary policy. They have no sway over the day-to-day management of the SARB. They receive a fixed return on their shares of 10 cents per share from profits made. This amounts to an overall dividend payment by the bank of 200,000 rands per year. Mind you, the SARB made a profit of 1.4 billion rands. The shareholders only get 200,000 rands from that money. Neither do shareholders have any claim on the reserves of the bank. The reserves that we hold are held on behalf of all South Africans. They do not belong to the shareholders, and neither do they have any influence on the management thereof. The shareholders are unable, by means of a resolution or otherwise, to amend or change the bank's legislation. Neither do they have the power to order its affairs by amending or deviating from the prescriptions of the Act. The management of the business of the bank, including the setting of monetary policy, rests in the governor and the deputy governors, who are appointed by the president after consultation with the Minister of Finance and the board. The governor and the deputy governors are clothed with great decentralized original powers of management, whilst the governance of the bank vests in the board, which similarly is vested with the decentralized original powers of oversight of the bank. So, the board is a governance board. The shareholders do not have any role in the policy mandate of the bank, neither do they have any role in the running of the bank. So what power do they have? Well, if you are a shareholder, you have got the privilege of being invited to the annual general meeting. And when you are at the annual general meeting, you can vote for the appointment of auditors, and you can vote for how much those auditors are remunerated. That is it. And after that, we will serve you tea and biscuits in the foyer, and if you are lucky, we might serve you some savory treats. So, what would then happen if the government takes over the shareholding from the rest of the shareholders that have a stake in the bank? Well, that will mean that there will be one shareholder attending the AGM. That could make the AGM go a little bit quicker. The board will still be 15 people. The difference will be that they will all be appointed by government. The board will have exactly the same power as they are having now. They will have no say on policy. They will have no say on the day-to-day operations of the bank, because the power lies with the governor and the deputy governors. I hope that deals with